At Ampol, our customers are at the centre of everything we do. That's why every part of our Pheasants Nest service station has been designed with their needs in mind. Conveniently located along the Hume Highway, which is just an hour outside of Sydney, Pheasants Nest is part of our national truck network, so it is open 24/7. This makes it the ideal stop to refuel, rest and recharge, whether you're on a quick pit stop or taking a longer break. Truck drivers benefit from a dedicated entrance and a 5.3 metre high diesel canopy, equipped with ultra-high flow pumps for fast dual-tank refueling. With easy access to ladders and hoses, you'll be in and out quickly, with your vehicle ready for the road ahead. After refueling, why not take a moment to rest and recharge yourself? With 25 B-triple parking spaces, it's easy to pull in and step into our modern, fully equipped truckers' lounge. Inside, enjoy a hot shower, throw on a load of laundry, and relax in a comfortable lounge chair with a fresh coffee or a healthy meal, all while catching up on your favourite show. The Truckers' Lounge features a kitchenette with a microwave, filtered and hot water, Wi-Fi, power outlets, and charging points. And with a live CCTV display of the truck parking area, you can rest easy knowing that your vehicle is safe and secure, all while you take a well-earned break. At Pheasants Nest, we're setting a new standard in comfort and convenience. We're proud of this space we've created, not just for the local community, but for every customer who travels through. We look forward to welcoming you at Pheasants Nest soon.